Exactly. Even if it's one sentence, but
ngomhla ka-12 kuvela bahlinze ikhotho kabihlela ukulalela isibawo sika-advocate Malesela Teffo sokuphikisa ukulalela kwecala lokubulawa kwakasomapala uLorlando Pirates uSenzo Meyiwa ekhotho ephakeme kweyipitori. Kodwa uTeffo wabhalula kufaka isibawo sabofakazi kade bazokujijela isiqundo sekhotho. Lokhu kwenza bona kube nokukhitshana ngamagama phakathi kwakhe uTeffo nejaji elengameli icaleli uChief Maumela.
Fill me in what is the position with those heads. Now you want me to listen to him on top of something that is outstanding. What kind of proceedings do you want us to run?
I still reiterate that I think this is a protocol and the right protocol because the matter belongs to the parties, to the state and the accused, not to the court.
As confirmed by Advocate for himself when he was on the floor just a few minutes ago, the issue of jurisdiction has been abandoned.
I submit and I request this Honorable Court not to entertain any application today. The purpose for today's court sitting was to deal with the issue of jurisdiction.
Kunalokho uTeffo weza nencwadi evela kummangalelo wesithathu umthobisi Mncube esolokuthi akunapate ehle ejele avalelekilo. Ijaji lathi alikhona ukungena emthethweni yejele kodwa na uzwelana noMncube.
He has suffered enough.
uTeffo wavela nendaba nasi ebudisi.
The reason, Your Lordship, I can no longer be able to be in court and face you. There are serious allegations here whereby you are accused number one. Before I can even accept the case of 636 to represent the accused 1 to 4. There has been harassment that I should not be part of this case. May I be excused?
Well excused. Advocate Teffo, you derobe once you are out of the court. You don't derobe here before me.
Wachi igcwethu uthi thobani bona asala jamele labo basolwako ngecaleli.